In this video, I will show you how to find a saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer in just a few simple steps. If you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password but your computer is already connected to the network, there is no need to reset your router or call your internet service provider. Windows stores the password for the networks you have connected to and you can easily view it. So let's get started. First, click on the search icon or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Control Panel, then click on the Control Panel app to open it. By default, the Control Panel may be displayed in Category View. To make it easier to find the settings we need, click the View by drop-down menu in the upper right corner and select large icons. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center. Under the Connection section, you will see the name of the Wi-Fi network your computer is currently connected to. Click on the Wi-Fi network name. This will open the Wi-Fi status window. Next, click on Wireless Properties. In the Wireless Network Properties windows, switch to the Security tab. Here you will see the network security key field. Your password is currently hidden for security reasons. To display the password, simply check the Show Characters box. As you can see, your saved Wi-Fi password is now visible. You can use this password to connect your phone, tablet, another computer, smart TV, or any other device to the same wireless network. This is one of the fastest and easiest way to recover a forgotten Wi-Fi password without installing any third-party software or changing your router settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Windows tips, technology tutorials, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.